Have you ever used essential oils before? By now, you have probably noticed how much we love essential oils here on this channel. If you ever used one, share with us your experience. We love hearing from you. Essential oils are natural aromas extracted directly from plants. They have numberless benefits and can improve health, alleviate pain, offer physical and emotional wellness, and boost immunity. In today's video, you will learn about 3 essential oils that can protect you against diseases and infections and improve your immune system. The first oil on our list is eucalyptus essential oil. It is antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, mucolytic, expectorant, and decongestant for the airways. The second oil is tea tree essential oil, which appears a lot here on our channel. Extracted from Melaleuca alternifolia, this oil is antifungal, anti-infectious, antiseptic, antiviral, and bactericide, and stimulates the immune system. Did you know that? Besides, it is considered one of the most powerful antiviral essential oils. The third is thyme essential oil, the same ingredient we use as a seasoning in our kitchens. We recently made a video about the benefits of thyme for our health. Click here to learn more. Thanks to its thymol, this oil has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, mucolytic, expectorant, bronchodilator, immunostimulant, and neurotonic properties. Besides, it is rich in phenols that fight off infections and virus diseases with immediate effects. Isn't it incredible? All 3 oils can be used in your daily life, since the best way of using these oils is through inhalation. You can use your essential oils in an aromatic diffuser or aromatherapy necklace. You can also apply a drop of oil to your hands and rub them together before inhaling. It will be enough to help your immunity. Try these essential oils to protect yourself against viruses. Then come back here and tell us the results. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.